In KuFlow, you can define process in various ways. These process definitions represent a set of tasks that are related to each other and form a workflow. You can control the execution of the process using different engines, such as the KuFlow engine based on temporal, APIs, and webhook, or diagram tool for simpler cases, or even no engine at all. If you use the KuFlow engine, you need to specify the application that will manage the workflow, and the identifiers for the workflow and the task queue, which are used for communication between KuFlow and the workers that are involved in the work. You can also use metadata to store global data at the workflow level and use it for searches and visualization. User actions allow you to define special actions at the process level. You can use permission to determine what each user can do, either through specific user permission or group permission. You can specify who can initiate the process, who can view it, who can manage it, or who has permission to make change to the process definition. A workflow is made up of a list of tasks, but it will be part of another bill. Let's see how to create a process definition.